how to add this PC, formerly known as My Computer icon, to desktop on Windows 10. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add this PC icon, also known as My Computer, to your desktop in Windows 10. By default, Windows 10 doesn't show this PC icon on your desktop, but it's easy to add. Let's start by opening the settings menu. After that, go to personalization. This is where you can adjust most of your desktop settings. After that, tap on themes. Next, scroll down and tap on the desktop icon settings under the related settings section. Now you'll see the desktop icon settings window here. Here you can choose which icons appear on your desktop. To add this PC to your desktop, simply check the box next to computer, and once you've checked the box, click apply and OK, and just like that, this PC should now appear on your desktop. You can now easily access all your drives, files and system information. And that's it, you've successfully added this PC icon to your desktop in Windows 10.